Okay, so when you're counting syllables, you'll want to keep in mind a couple things. One thing is where you have um, especially a weak vowel and a strong vowel together, it makes one syllable. And also, you may have syllables, you may have an ending vowel and a beginning vowel next to each other in consecutive words, and we don't have that here. But if you did have that, that would also count as one syllable poetically. So we can divide this like this. So mientras, this would be one syllable there. Mientras, por, competir con tu cabello. So you see here that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, also you have to know with that last word, right? You have to think, is it agudo? Is it grave? Or is it esdrújula? Right? So in this case, cabello is grave or llana. So when you have that case, that means you do not add or subtract the syllable count. It just stays the same. So that's 11. And most classic sonnets for Spanish will all have 11 verses. That's what is the definition of a sonnet. But let's take the next verse. Okay, oro brunido al sol relumbra en vano. Now, vano is another grave. It's another llana, right? Palabra llana. So you're not going to add or subtract syllables at the final count. But you do have some vowels that go together here, ending a word and beginning the next word. So we see that a couple times. So let's look at that. We have o, ro, bru, ni, doal. That makes one syllable there because ending vowel in a word continuing with the next word that begins with a vowel. So that counts as one syllable in poetry, in Spanish poetry anyway. Sol, re, lum, braen. Another, that's one syllable right there. Alumbraen, bano. Okay, let's look at our syllable count. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this checks out, and I see that all the verses in this particular poem are llanas. Okay, they are versos llanos. Right, they all end in grave or llana. It's the same thing. Those kind of words. There's no agudas or esdrújulas, so you never have to add or subtract in this particular poem. But the only thing to look out for is that combination of vowels at the end of a word and at the beginning of the next word. No matter what vowel they are, you're just going to count them as one syllable.